I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have a valid Microsoft 360 license and the correct account. Sign into the portal, then install Office apps or open the web versions. Once signed in, set up OneDrive immediately and choose your default save location so files sync automatically. Make sure to install updates and grant permissions for storage and camera if you plan to use Teams. Doing these first steps prevents access errors later and gets core services ready for the next configuration phase. Now you configure the apps you'll use daily. In Outlook, add your mail account, sync calendars, and create focused inbox rules so important messages surface. Next, build team spaces. Create teams and channels, assign roles, and tune notifications so you aren't overwhelmed. For shared work, set up SharePoint sites, enable folder sync, and apply versioning to protect documents. Once done, align permissions and sharing settings so collaborators see only what they need. These middle steps connect collaboration and storage. You finish by automating routine tasks and locking down security. Use Power Automate to create simple flows for approvals and file routing, then enable multi-factor authentication and conditional access to protect accounts. Schedule regular backups and verify OneDrive and SharePoint retention settings so data is recoverable. Train users on the new workflow and document key steps. If something goes wrong, check OneDrive sync status first. It reveals permission errors, full storage, or file conflicts. Resolve those before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.